Good morning, guys. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Ready to make some money this week, fellow Forex traders. I'm going to get started on the currencies, the pound dollar. We had a buy from Friday. It ran away, and guess what? It come back, gave you the opportunity to get in. Low risk trade. Now you're up, moving your stop up. So you're in good shape there, pound dollar. It has the potential to go up to here today, so it could definitely do that. The range, Aussie dollar, 1 hour came back to the buy. Now trying to push up, low risk buy. So you had a chance there, made some, got another chance here. Pound CAD, it's made its way up from the buy down here. There was your opportunity. There was the signal. There was the buy. And you've just been riding this thing up. Now you may have gotten stopped out right there when it pushed up. And that risk opportunity, because actually you'd have had to leave it down here if you got in there. And as it pushed up, you had to leave it there. But you have to follow it. That's a big move down. 68.85. That's got to be 66. 685. So that was 80 pips. 80 pip drawdown there. But it's trying to make it, made a sell, 1 hour sell right here. But it has a chance to go because the range up to here. Pound yen is pushed up. There was the buy over here. Came down in it once, came down twice, and this is the bigger move. Now the range on it today could actually go up to here. That is a yearly pivot right there. Let's see, Euro New Zealand continue to climb. It's made a 1 hour sell opportunity in here up now, looks like. Pound New Zealand, same thing, made a 1 hour sell. Just hadn't gone anywhere yet. New Zealand yen. See, that's a 4 hour, nothing on it yet. Let's look at the 1 hour. It didn't. It made a buy. It made a buy signal right here now. So I'll have to keep an eye on it. Their low is 87.08. And we're at 22, so that's 14 plus 3 on the spread, 17. So you could buy that right now with a low risk. That's the stop. I'd like to see it come down just a little bit, maybe down to like 16 or 15. That'd give us a $7 or $8 plus that about $10 or $11 risk. Be even better. Remember, Monday is setup day for the week, for the rest of the week. Euro Aussies made a 1 hour sell. It's kind of ran away, didn't give you a chance to get in. It's too far. We need to push back up into here to sell. Euro CAD's made a 1 hour sell. Just made it just about 6 minutes ago. Keep an eye on that one yet. Nothing there. Pound Aussie made us move up. Guess where? Back to the yearly pivot. What happened when it got up there? Now are we going to break through this time? Daily range on it is almost made it. has a little bit more to go, so it could actually go up a little bit higher before it sells off. So again, let's see. Is in a buy. There was a buy opportunity. That was probably not a good buy opportunity. Low 109.11. No, is that 9 points? 9 pips. Low was 109. Actually 109. That's 11. So that's about 14. Yeah. That's a buy opportunity there. Low risk. $14. There's no news today. Okay, yen. Let me get through the rest of them. The euro yen is making a 4-hour sell. That's got 52 minutes though. Let's see if the euro has made a 1-hour sell. There's the yearly pivot up there. You reckon that's where we're heading? It is 270 something away. That's not going to happen today, but it could happen by the end of the year. But because the yen, euro yen is tied to the yen, which could sell off at any time, that could come down like it did there, fill in that wick, and then have a buy opportunity, because that would be 300 pips. It takes out that low, wipes out all that move. The euro yen made a low risk trade right there. So let's see, that high is what? 159.15. Went up to 8, 15, 7, 10. $10 risk there. Takes out that high, it's going higher. It's actually going up to the range for today is 50 up here. So if it takes that out that high right there, it's going to up here. That's the range for today. That might be where the sell comes in. Aussie yen, there's the buy over here. That was your opportunity back over there to get in, but you had to wait 2, 3, 4, 6 hours to get in it, and then you got rewarded for waiting. So let's see where the buy is going to be. I'd rather have it down here for an odd yen buy. That could happen today. Daily range could push it down into here. But the ones that look good right now is the pound dollar. That was your opportunity right there to get in. Now that was on 3 a.m. But I missed it. I actually got it in here because of course I was sleeping. But I always set, when they set up, it's coming back down, which you can see on Sunday it was. Put in an order down in here. I didn't get the very low. I'm in here, but got half the profit target, and I'm moving the stop up now, which is up in here. So now that part, second half's going to make money. So don't have to hunt for a trade on that one. If you're not in this, then you gotta wait. There's no opportunity, even though the daily range could push it up into here for today. Aussie dollar coming back down. There's the buy. Come back down, made about another buy opportunity, low risk. That low is 62.86. And come down to 62.88, $2 plus the spread, $4 risk, which I'm in. That candle ends at 9. That one ended at 8. That one ended at 7. I'm usually up at 6. So that's my stop. The low of that candle is the stop. Pound CAD is made a 1 hour sale. It's made a poke up, but the daily range says if it's going higher, that's where it's going, is up here. And I don't think we have I think it's too far away. Yep, oh, it's down there. But if you're wanting to take the sale, that high is 67.11, that high is 67.02.94, so it's a $13 risk if you got in right there. If you got it right now, it's going to be more. Remember, 30 is my max. That's it, 30. I don't go any more than that. The pound yen. Daily range, that's a yearly pivot. That's probably where it's at, and they can do that today. Up to here. Because it's in that buy anyway. Here's the opportunity to get in. Look, you see it runs away. This is how most traders get in. Up, it's running away without me. See the spike down, it's running away without me. So they try to get in, and they might have got 8-10 pips, and then they got stopped out. So if they didn't have it at break even, they lost money. But then all they got was 8 pips. If you're patient, you wait, it comes down, there's your buy opportunity, you get in, and you're still in this trade. And there's the target for today. But again, this is tied to the yen. The yen, Bank of Japan could step in at any time and drive this thing down, take out that low of that spike. So I won't be buying this or the yen. I would be selling, like the euro yen, selling. That's basically a $8 $7 $10 risk right there, which I'm in that too. Even though this can go down, this can go up. Daily range up to here today, takes out that high. That's where it's going, is up to there, which would be about another 50 pips. So no reason to hang on for that. Just wait for it to set up again. You have a low risk trade. You lose $10. You wait on the next trade. I'm gonna get some, refresh my coffee. Be right back. Refresh the coffee. Okay, I'm back. So for those of you that don't know, welcome to my YouTube channel first of all. Live streaming. This will be coming up Wednesday. It will be 3 weeks I've been on live streaming. To be able to find out, when I'm on, you need to subscribe to my channel, and then you also need to click on the notify me button, and then YouTube will send you a message alerting you to when I'm on live. That's the easiest way to do it. I do swing trading. For those of you who don't know, I don't do day trading, even though there sometimes can be, like today, trades. It doesn't happen every day. So if you have to feel, or you feel like you have to make money every single day to pay bills, then this room is not for you. And I'm not saying that to be mean. I'm just saying that you need to be hunting for something else. There's plenty of 1, 3, and 5 minute 15-minute traders out there where there's going to be a ton of trades every day, and they force a lot of them. So, and then of course they take on average 8 to 10 pips, which you're not going to make money over time doing that. So if you're working a job, swing trading is for you. Day trading is not for you, because you're constantly having to look at your phone while you're working. Swing trading, you don't have to. You can look at it before you go into work, on your first break, at lunchtime, on your break in the afternoon, and then before you head home, and then when you get home. So that's several opportunities, because these are 1 and 4 hour candles. So while you're working, there's only going to be 8 of them, and there'll only be 2 4-hour candles. So we're going to go back and go over these. The pound dollar made a buy on Friday. That was around about 8 o'clock in the morning. Well, finished at 9 o'clock in the morning. No, it's 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning. Sorry. Man, thank good today. That candle finished at 7 in the morning, ran away. Everybody tried to get, it's going to go away. Nope. You wait. Sometimes it does. Sometimes it'll run away like that. This is what we look for, to pull back, because this one is going to go higher than this one. So I would think it's going to come up to here today on the buy part. Hopefully it won't sell off. So again, I got in this trade, but I didn't get that low. I put in an order down in here, so I didn't get the exact low, which that's almost impossible to do. I mean, sometimes you do, but because I wanted up overnight, that's what I was waiting for. Now I could have stopped right there and went higher, but I missed it. But that's okay. There's other trades. But then you have to be patient, put an order in. When I went to bed and woke up, first profit target was, I put that in too. Once I put the order in, I put the profit target in. And that low of the trade would have been, if you'd have got the low, 121.21. Let's see, that low is 120.89. That low is 92, so a $6 risk. And 40 on the pound dollar. It's a 40 to 50 depending on the range. And because it come down here, if it's going to do it during Europe, then 50. So half of my position was taken off already. And now I have moved the stop up, which originally when I put it in, the stop was right there. Now that I've got my first profit target and it's pushed up, my stop is now under here, so the second half is going to make money no matter what. So I don't have to hunt for another trade on the pound dollar. I'm in it. Now I just let the second half tell me I'm looking for a resistance up in here sometime today. So if you didn't get in down here, I wouldn't get in here, even though there's a potential to go up to here. The risk is too great. Because if it turns around and you get in here and it wants to come back down and retest here before it goes higher, you're in trouble. That's like 70 pips. Aussie dollar, I'm in this trade. There's the buy. See how it's run away? So you might have got a chance to get in over here. That low is 91. That low is, no, that's not right. That's more than 2 pips. 93. 85, that's more like it. Actually 86. 93, 7, 9, $9 risk right there. So you could have got in right there. And it would have stopped you out on this down move. Let it come back into the buy over here. So now this is the stop. Yeah, I was able to get in this morning when I got up. I said, man, I just came in here and looked at that. Whoop, up, uh-oh. Had to get in there. So now it's pushing up. 88 is the low. The Aussie dollar, the first target profit is 30 pips because it doesn't have as big a range as the pound. It usually goes only 60 to 70 a day. So I'm expecting it to come up somewhere in here today. And will it sell off since it's coming down? See, we went up and now we made a lower low. Pound CAD 1 hour is making a sell. It's made a sell. It's done its poke up, but it has opportunity because of the range to go up to here today. Pound yen, it made a buy. See, that was in 20. Saturday. What time is that? 10:20 at 5 in the morning. See, 23rd second. Oh yeah, Friday. What am I thinking? I kept thinking Friday was the 19th, but it's not. It was the 20th. So that was at 5 in the morning on that poke down. But its daily range can go up to here. That's a yearly pivot. Looks like a magnet. And the daily range on it can actually push it up to there today. Euro New Zealand's in a 1 hour sell. Have to keep an eye on that. Pound New Zealand's in a 1 hour sell. New Zealand yen is in a 1 hour buy. Euro Aussie's in a 1 hour sell. So you really haven't gotten an opportunity. That could push down to here before, or down into here before it turns up. Or it could push up into here and create a sell and then come down. So I'm going to look at the 4 hour, and it's making a sell, but it's got 33 minutes left in that candle, so nothing to do based on the 4 hour. Euro CAD is made a 1 hour sell. But it has the potential today to go up to in here on the daily range. So it does have the potential to go higher. Pound Aussie, I was in this trade from last week. And that's a yearly pivot, went up to it. So now we're gonna fiddle fart around here. Looks like it's coming down. CAD yen is in a buy. There's the one opportunity. But if you'd followed, if you did get in there and you followed it up, you got stopped out. So now you're looking for another opportunity, which that came right there. It's a low risk trade too. And that's trying to push up. I would expect with what's going on over in Israel that the oil is going to go higher. Especially if it escalates. See, there was your sell over here. Now see, these signals are ones I created. They don't show up all the time. You had to wait for them to show up. And see, when the sell shows up, you could have got in there, or even there, even there, and even in here. There was a bigger move right there. Now this flush down has got to get filled in, which we come close, but we can still go higher up into here. That looks like an opportunity to me, but it is tied to the yen, which is in the 149.90 is the dollar yen. So you have to watch that to see if it's going higher. So the Canadian range has got, oh, it does have an opportunity to get up here. That's like 12.56. Oh, it has an opportunity to take out that way. Oh, it does have the opportunity to get up there today and fill in that flush. So that's on the CAD yen. The euro yen is making a 1 hour sell, right? Or trying to. Well, let's see what the 4 hour looks like on that. It's making a candle. It's got 30 minutes on that, and so does this one. So nothing to do on it, but it does have a chance, the range, to go up into here today. Then the Aussie yen made a 1 hour buy. That was your only opportunity to get in, was in here for that. But it did poke down into here, and over here was even lower. Because that trade would have been, let's see, 32 over here. Oh, no, that's not 32.04. So that is $28, $30 risk. Almost 31. So that's right at my maximum allowance. For a buy. But again, it has made, it's made a lower high right there, and now we made a lower low. So it has the opportunity to push up. Let's see if it's going up. The range is up into here today. So about another 30 something pips. If it's going lower, it has the opportunity to come back to that arrow today. Gotta keep an eye on these. Pound dollar, Aussie dollar, pound CAD. Let's see, Euro New Zealand is trying to make a 1 hour sell. And we'll look at the 4 hour on it. It's just making it 4 hours, so that's got 27 more minutes, so nothing to do on that one. Nothing to do. So that's a yearly pivot right there. So we're going to come back and retest it, or let's see, there should be one up here. Yep, that is about 400 away, almost 390 from the yearly pivot resistance right there. So it's looking like a magnet. So we're going to retest first, come down before we get up. So that's on the 1 hour. So I would expect if it's going to pull back, it's just going to be down into here. Which might be worth the risk today. Remember, this is setup day. This is setup day. So what's that high? 82.40. We're at 20 plus 6, so it's $26 risk right now. This is a little much. I'll go back to the 4 hour. Yeah, got 25 minutes still left on that. So that can change very easily. Okay, I'm going to go through these one more time. And that'll be it. Since there's nobody in the chat room, nobody asks questions, and I don't really care about hearing myself talk all day, so. But I will record this video, so you're going to go back and look at it at your convenience. And since it's recorded, I'll be posting it around lunchtime, US time, usually around 12 or 1. So we'll go through them one more time. Pound dollar was in a buy. That was the opportunity. Pushed up. Nothing to do here now because it's going up to there. Risk is too great. Aussie dollar. Then a buy down here. It's trying to push up. Pound CAD's in a sell for now, but it has the potential to go up here today. But it is in a 1 hour sell. Pound yen has the potential to go up to here today, but the risk is too great. That was your opportunities there and there. Euro New Zealand, as we said, it's in a 1 hour sell, but it can push higher too. Pound New Zealand's in a 1 hour sell. New Zealand yen is in a buy. Euro Aussie's in a 1 hour sell, but it's coming down to where it could turn around right here and head up. So So I have to keep an eye on that. Euro CAD is in a 1 hour sale, but it can go up to here today before the sale comes in. Pound Aussie is in a 1 hour sale. There was your buy, ran away. I'm expecting they move back down to here. Now that won't happen today. It's going to take several days. CAD yen is in a buy. It could push up to here today. And if it sells off, it's going to take out the low. That's the daily range. It's beyond it. Euro yen. It's got 22 minutes left. Nothing to do on that candle really. The 4 hour I think was making it. Yep, it's making one too. So nothing to do on the euro yen. Aussie yen. It was in a buy. There's one opportunity, two, three opportunities. Now it has the opportunity to come up here to here today, just today. And if it's going to sell off, it could either come back down into the arrow down here today. So that's all of those. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free. You can also go on my YouTube channel and comment section in there, put in there whatever question you want, or comment either one. So we'll keep an eye on these because there's some potential on some. Some is going to be late in the day before it is. And again, before I go, I said live streaming. This will be recorded, posted this afternoon. If you just found the channel, if you subscribe to my channel, and then you also have to click on the notify me button, and then you'll be notified by YouTube when I am on live streaming. That makes it easy for you. And I do swing trading. I don't do day trading, even though there is buy opportunities like here. I got in on that candle, which I put in overnight when I went to sleep, expecting it to, if it come down there, then I get filled. I didn't get the very bottom, of course. Might have been able to take off half of my position, and I've been able to move my stop up underneath here. And if this pushes up higher, which I'm anticipating, then my stop will go up under here, so it's going to make even more, just as much as my other one. And that's my strategy in a nutshell. Now you may ask, what's all these other? These are blue dots, little blue dots, parabolic SAR. That's all that is. You can get that anywhere. This is a combination of time, price, volume that I come up with on here. And of course created these two. So let's see, Aussie dollar, got to keep this trying to push up now, which I'm in that. That candle ends at 9, that one ended at 8, that one ended at 7. And I'm up at 6 o'clock in the mornings. And that's the first thing I do is look at this before I take out the dog. So I've been in 2 trades with a pound dollar, which I've already got half profit on. And the stop is at break even plus a couple, so that one's going to make money no matter what. Hopefully it's more money today. And I'm also in this one, but it's got more range to go because it's only going up to 20. Is that right? 20, 63.20. So it hadn't hit my 30 pip, gotten close, and my stops here at break even now. Once it gets to 30, that'll be my first half profit target, and then hopefully it's pushed up into here, and then there'll be an opportunity to move my stop up, but if it runs straight up candles, and I kind of have to go under candles, because it could run up 20 and it could reach 20 and then push up. So that is everything for today. Euro yen, there's nothing to do. It's got 17 minutes on the 1 hour and the 4 hour. Odd yen, you could have got a buy right here. Which is in that, because that stops making lower lows. And CAD yen is in a buy. You got opportunities in here and here and here. The low risk trade. Now you're just looking for a push up higher, and it could go up into here today, the daily range, which would fill in that flush. See, it come close, didn't get to it right there, but it should come up into here. Now Nazi's in a sell, and that's working. I'm looking for it to pull back down into here today, which that can easily do. Euro CAD is in a 1 hour sell. Now expect with oil, CAD should go up. That means this will go down. That high was 65. And that's got how much time? 15 minutes almost. So 365, so that's 12. So I'm going to take that trade because that's a low risk trade. It's at 65. Got in at 53. So it's a $12-15 risk plus the spread. So I'm willing to take that. So that's it for today, guys. I'll be back tomorrow. So if you like the training education providing, I need to teach. I like to teach. I'm not here to, like most of them on YouTube, to try to get so many likes and subscribers so they get paid and then get advertising pay. That's what I don't do that. And the other one shouldn't either. That shouldn't be their goal. And you hear a lot of them say, well, I want to be able to teach you to trade, well, you make money, blah, blah, blah. But then they're pushing you to subscribe and like all the time. I only want you to subscribe to get the notification. If you like it, that's fine. You're welcome to click on that too, but that's not what I'm about. Because I don't do the 8 to 10 pips. I don't do day trading. You're welcome to go on these brokerage houses, whoever you trade with, and they'll have on there, on average, the trader does 8 to 10 pips. That's where they take it off at. Then your stop has got to be too tight. But because they've got to trade every day, or they feel like they have to trade every day, if you're trading with money that you're using to pay your rent or your lot rent or mortgage or the kids' clothes and shoes and food, you need to stop trading. Trade on a demo account. Learn first where you don't lose any money. You can pay your bills. I do swing trading, so you don't have to be at home to look at it. I mean, to look at me. I mean, I record a video and it'll be on later. But of course, by the time you watch it, it's going to be after the fact, but it's more about teaching. So, but as you can see, I'm sure if you've been on YouTube enough, you can see that the majority of the people are on other channels are wanting the trading action. They want so many trades a day because they feel like they have to make money every day. So I need my pound dollar to keep going up, and if it does go up, I'm moving my stop up underneath here, actually to the low. But I'm in it no matter what. I've already made money, and the second half is making money. So it takes the stress off. Takes the stress off. That's why I like swing trading. Don't have to, when I'm in the trade, I don't have to hunt for another one. Because if it's the real buy or sell, like see how that ran away? People have been chasing that, thinking it was running away. I know different. I know that it's going to come back. Sometimes they do, but not all the time. The majority of the time, this is what it does. It'll start to run away. It'll suck them in, the buyers, and they sell it off back down. They get stopped up because they can't handle a, what is that, 121.90s, almost 90 pips. They can't handle that. So I wait for the pullback. Now these signals, these are mine. They're not going to show up all the time. You're not going to find these anywhere because I don't post them. I hadn't sold it. I won't ever do that. Because it's not about trying to make money like a lot of these selling products. That's all they do is create strategies. Then they post a video and they get 1 million something, and now they're getting paid, and they're getting advertising paid. That's the whole purpose. It ain't to teach people. It's to get them to come in and subscribe. Mine's about teaching. But you need to be a swing trader to do it. Day trader's not going to work. You have to watch your phone all the time or your laptop. And this is all I wait on. I put in an order when it makes that. If it runs away, I put an order in down here. That happened overnight, and I wake up with money. Good feeling. Aussie dollar. Same thing. Was able to get in this. It just hadn't hit my profit target yet, but I'm at break even right now, so I don't care. It can go. Hopefully it's going to go. With the pound Aussie selling off, that should run up like what it's doing here, but it could get right down into here and then turn around and come up and give us a sell opportunity. That's what I'm looking for. CAD yen pushing up in this too. I think my stop is here under that low. That's where I entered. Initially it was here because it's pushing up, and I can put it here. And the range for today is up to here, daily range. Euro yen has got 9 minutes left, nothing to do on it. Aussie yen, I would think it's going up in here to get that flush, but that's not going to happen all today. The better scenario would be for it to come down into here and then head up. Euro CAD is making a 1 hour sell. And on it, Euro Aussie has made a 1 hour, kind of ran away. It's doing that thing. So it could come down to about where it's at, maybe a little bit lower, and then turn up for a sell. New Zealand yen made a 1 hour buy. Pound New Zealand's and a 1 hour sell, it's just gone nowhere. Euro on New Zealand's and a 1 hour sell, it's gone nowhere. Pound yen, the daily range on it is up to here, and that can happen today. That's a yearly pivot, so that's a magnet right there. And then the pound CAD is in a 1 hour sell. There's the poke ups to get in, but it has a daily range where it could reach here today. Which would be about another 30 pips. There's no reason to hang on to that. If you get in with a low risk trade like there's no reason to hang on for 30 extra pips added on to that. So that's it for today, guys. Like I said, I'll record the video. And you're welcome to subscribe to my channel. But then you'll also need to click on the notify me button so YouTube can alert you when I'm on live. And I'm doing live streaming. This would be 3 weeks Wednesday that I've been on live streaming now. So we'll plan on seeing you guys tomorrow. If you have any questions or comments, feel free. YouTube channel, you can go on and put those in, and I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. If it's during my session, I'm in the U.S. Eastern time, so it's 8:54 here now. If you're overseas, and if you answer it during the daytime you're overseas, I'll still be able to get it. But if it's at nighttime, when I'm going to bed and you're up, then it's going to be later in the day before I can get to it. So let's see. Pound dollar I'm in, it's looking good. Aussie dollar I'm in. I've got to stop at break even. Hopefully it's going to push up to here today. I don't have half of my position at profit target. It's not reached it yet. Because when it goes 24, 25 pips, which is what it's done for my entry. I didn't get the exact low there. Then I move it to break even, because if it retraces that whole thing, the chances are it's going lower. If it takes that out, it's going to take that out. So that is everything for today. Pound CAD has made 2 poke ups for you to get in, but the range for today on it can push up into here, so there's no reason to hang on when it takes that out for another 30 pips or more, even though it's pushing down now. Let's see, it could go, it could easily come down quite a bit. So if this does push down and you're in it and you're able to get in it up here, when this pushes down, then you can move your stop from there originally to your entry point right there. And now you're in the trade, you don't have to hunt for one. It's either going to work or it's not going to work at this point, but don't take it off at 8 or 10 pips. Don't do that. The range on this is 50. So if you got in up here at 67, then you're looking for 66.50 down here, or you're taking off half of it. Well, that's me taking off half. You don't have to do that. Whatever you feel comfortable with, because this is for trading and education purposes only. You should be learning. Is use money you can only afford to risk and that you could lose. I'm keeping all my winners. yen. We're good on that. What is the Euro New Zealand? It's trying to sell off a little bit, but it's got a range up to here today. There's another 70. Yeah, another 70 it could go. Actually about 60. Yeah, 60s. So that would be your stop if you're in it, and because if it takes that out, it's going probably another 60. So no reason to hang on. Keep your risk low, because once you have a winner, it's going to wipe all the loss out. And New Zealand is going nowhere, and it's in a sell. So that's it for today, guys. I will see you tomorrow, and this one is recorded, so it'll be this afternoon.